What are you doing in there? I need to wash my hands. Did I put the tap on?
Yeah.
What do I do if he did that?
Oh, he just licks it all up.
Really?
He loves it.
Put it on.
You'd be excited if we put the tap on here.
Put it on more.
Yeah, I'll move it around so you can have a drink, darling. There you go. Yeah.
Oh my god, that's hilarious.
There we go, darling.
More.
More?
That is so funny.
Oh no, 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 you're going to make a big mess.
He's drinking the water.
Yeah, he likes the water.
That is so strange. I've never heard of anything like that.
No, because they only like running water. That's why we had to get the fountain.
He's itching himself as well. So I put the tap on.
Just a little bit, otherwise it'll get too wet. I'll try doing your crotch. No, till you get off that.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay.